Hi my lovelies, welcome to my kitchen. I am Joy. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious, yummy breakfast. This recipe is super easy, so rich and healthy for breakfast. So keep watching and see how I prepare this for my family. So let's get started by preparing the filling. For the ingredients, I'll be needing about 250 grams of chicken breast, already washed. I'll be transferring it to the food processor. Feel free to slice it with knife in small sizes if you don't have food processor. So at this point, I'll be adding some black pepper. So next, I'll be adding some salt to taste. After that, I add chili pepper, grinded chili pepper. In this plate, I have my veggies prepped, chopped in small sizes. So I'll be adding the spring onions and the parsley leaf, okay? Then set the rest aside for later use. I'll cover the food processor and blend them until they are well distributed for about 1 minute. Take a look at that. See the texture we are looking for. I will proceed by turning on the heat and place my skillet pan on it. I'll be adding about 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, followed by the chicken mixture. With my wooden spatula, I will go ahead and saute the meat and veggies until they are well cooked. Before we forget, we still have our reserved veggies. At this point, I'm going to pour them into the skillet pan and saute all together. I will go ahead and stir fry the veggies and the meat until they are well cooked. Once they are well cooked, you will notice that their color will change. Yes, I prefer using wooden spoon or wooden spatula to avoid scratching my skillet pan. You know what I mean? I mean the fry pan. So at this point, you can see that the meat is cooked. I'm going to turn it into another plate. Please keep watching because I'll be showing you how I use this as filling to produce very delicious breakfast recipe. So stay tuned, okay? I'll proceed by cleaning the skillet pan and reuse it. While I'm preheating the pan, let me show you other ingredients I'll be needing. Here I have tortilla wrap. In Spanish they call it tortilla wrap. You can get it in your grocery shop. I will also be using mozzarella cheese. I have here 250 grams of mozzarella cheese. Now here is the tortilla wrap. So watch me closely and see how I fold this. I fold it into 4. Cut one side. After that, I unfold the wrap. So watch me closely and see how I apply the filling. Not all the parts, but just keep watching. Oh my lovelies, if you're still watching and you like baking healthy recipes like this, easy and simple ones, also cake decorations, you are at the right channel. Don't hesitate to click on that red button that says subscribe. Click on the notification bell at the option select all so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. If you enjoy watching, please like the video and share it with your friends and families. God bless you as you do so. Thank you. Watch me fold it step by step. As I told you, I'm going to leave one side free, so I use it to fold the first one, the second one, and finally fold the third one. I'll go ahead and spread some cooking oil or olive oil on the hot skillet, then transfer the wrap to it like so. Remember to turn your stove to low or medium heat, okay? While it is toasting, I'll be preparing the rest of the wrap by repeating the same process. You continue until it is golden brown in color. It can take you up to 2 minutes or more, depending on the heat. Once it is golden brown in color, you flip it over. Can you see this beautiful color? Yeah, and that is simple to prepare. I will continue by repeating the same process with the rest of the wrap and place them one after the other. Can you see this? This one is ready, golden brown in color, looking so yummy and delicious. Try this recipe at home. I promise you everyone will like it. It is good for breakfast, as I said before, and it is also good for dinner. Let me show you how it looks inside. Oh, so colorful and yummy. I know you must have been craving for one, yeah? Just try this very recipe and you will enjoy it. Thank you for staying tuned. I appreciate your precious time you spent here. You can as well follow me on my Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you for watching. Till next time, keep eating healthy and stay safe. Feel free to click on any video that will pop out after this. Bye for now and see you in my next video.